All right, here we go. I'm going to just start this problem so you guys can follow along.
I still gotta write the whole top part. Like all that.
I know, I gotta start this problem though. I gotta get this on the online for you guys. All right, so take a look at number 11. Can anyone tell me what these are classified as?
It's the one those are together.
Yeah, remember we just talked about them?
I just learned it.
They're vertical, right? Yeah, so they're across from each other, right?
What?
So what is it, what's special about vertical angles?
They're usually together.
Not together, they're always
Split apart.
On the same line.
Divorce.
not on the same line. They're across from each other and they're always
Congruent.
Thank you.
Convoluted.
Not convoluted. You're convoluted. No,
Thank
just
you.
kidding. Just kidding. Alright, 27x minus 5 is equal or congruent, right?
To 8.
To 130. Why?
Is because.
They're vertical angles.
It's because the big numbers of it. Yeah, big numbers will lose it.
It's because vertical angles are always congruent. Okay? That's it.
Let's go. Can't count.
Once you start there, now it's all downhill from here. We all know this stuff. How do I get x alone?
Oh, by
Plus 5.
adding 5 to the.
Okay, so I add 5, and I get 27x is congruent to 135, right? And what property is that when we add 5 to both sides?
Plus property.
Plus prop.
Yeah, plus prop equals, right? So addition property of equality, right? All right, then what?
Then you minus the what you call it? You minus the 27.
Minus it?
Oh no, not that yet. You divide it.
Oh, why am I dividing it?
So I was trying to x by itself.
Yeah, because it's multiplying the x, right? So I'm doing the opposite. What I do to one side, I do to the other, right? And so I get x is congruent to what? How many times is 27 going to 35?
35 from 1.
Once? I think more than once.
5.
5, there you go. Well, the trick is 7 and 5, right? 7 and 5, you're like, ooh, when is a 7 ever going to go into a 5? Maybe 5 times, like 5 times 7 is 35, right? So then you try it out. Well, what's 5 times 7 is 35, and 5 times 20 is 100, so that'd be 135. Oh, there it is. So that's 5, right? So we know that x is 5. Now this is what we did on the first page. This is exactly what we did. First page, the first 4 problems that you guys haven't done yet, right? But it's on the YouTube, right? Now, what are we going to do now? They said they want to know what the angle is, right? Well, the funny problem is that the angle is, do you already know what the angle is?
Yes.
Yeah, how much is it?
5.
No, not 100. 130, right? We know the angle's 130, but we have to prove it, right? And that's the step. So what's this blue step?
You do it, but put the times 5 to 27. I don't know.
No.
Guessing.
Division, property of equality, right?
Oh yeah.
Then what do we do with the x?
Your voice done.
Right? We say, hey, this better be 130, right? So then we plug it in. We say 27 times 5,
I knew it.
right?
That
Minus 5 equals 130, or is congruent to 130, right?
That's going to equal something 100.
Then what is 27 times 5?
135.
135, right? Minus 5 equals 130. So, what did we do when we substituted it in, or sorry, yeah, substitution. Sorry about that.
What do we have to do that
We're
part?
going to brain dead for a second.
So you have to do substitution, and then what's the black part?
Branded, now always branded.
So we simplified, right? And then we continue to simplify, right?
So
To get what? 130 equals 130. Okay? And so that's our proof that the angle is 130 degrees.
You have the congruent thing, so that equal thing.
Sorry, congruent, my bad. Thank you very much.
Wait.
You guys are awesome. You killed it.
I gotta write that down. After I do this.
Yes, you do. All right,
I'm gonna crash my bugs, okay?
all right.
Crash my bugs.
You might want to take a picture, because I'm about to erase it. Good job.